Welcome back to the Project and Materials YouTube channel. If you want to access additional updates and tutorials on project writing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, imagine diving into this vast pool of knowledge and coming up with a project that could potentially change the way we see food and nutrition. Without further ado, here are the top 15 project topics in nutrition and dietetics that you could explore. First up is the impact of nutrition education on dietary habits. This project explores how educating people about nutrition can influence their dietary choices and habits, leading to improved health outcomes. Second, we have the role of diet in managing chronic diseases. This topic delves into how a carefully planned diet can help manage chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Third on the list is nutritional analysis of indigenous foods. This project aims to shed light on the nutritional values of local, traditional foods, emphasizing their importance in a balanced diet. Next is the effect of malnutrition on child development. A project on this topic would investigate how poor nutrition affects a child's physical and mental development. Fifth, dietary patterns and lifestyle diseases. This topic explores the relationship between our eating habits and lifestyle diseases like hypertension and cholesterol. Coming in at number 6 is nutrition and immunity. A project on this topic would explore how our diet impacts our immune system and our body's ability to fight off diseases. Seventh, the role of diet in mental health. This project would investigate the connection between our diet and mental health, highlighting the importance of certain nutrients in maintaining good mental health. Next on the list is food security and nutrition. This topic focuses on how access or lack thereof to nutritious food affects the health of a population. Ninth, the impact of dietary supplements on health. This project would delve into the world of dietary supplements and their effects on our health. 10th, nutrition in pregnancy. A project on this topic would examine the nutritional requirements during pregnancy and its impact on both the mother and child. 11th, nutrition and aging. This topic explores how our nutritional needs change as we age and how a balanced diet can promote healthy aging. 12th, nutrition in sports. This project would focus on the role of diet in sports performance and recovery. 13th, the role of diet in cancer prevention. This topic investigates how certain dietary habits can help prevent various forms of cancer. 14th, public health nutrition. A project on this topic would delve into the role of nutrition in public health, focusing on how dietary policies can improve a population's health. Finally, at number 15, childhood obesity and diet. This project would explore the relationship between diet and the rising cases of childhood obesity. In conclusion, these 15 topics offer a wide array of fascinating avenues to explore within the field of nutrition and dietetics. From the impact of nutrition education on dietary habits to the role of diet in managing chronic diseases, from the nutritional analysis of indigenous foods to the effect of malnutrition on child development, and from dietary patterns and lifestyle diseases to nutrition and immunity, the scope is vast and varied. Whether it's understanding the role of diet in mental health or investigating the impact of dietary supplements on health, each topic is a potential game changer. And let's not forget the importance of nutrition in pregnancy, aging, sports, cancer prevention, public health, and combating childhood obesity. These topics not only highlight the importance of nutrition and dietetics in our daily lives but also underscore the crucial role it plays in shaping our future. Consider hiring our experienced writers for assistance with your project. Remember to share and recommend this video to your friends for project writing insight.